Welcome. Today, we're diving into a simple, step-by-step guide on how to find public tags on Facebook using the updated app interface. Let's get started. First, open the Facebook app on your device. Make sure you're logged into your account to access all the features. Next, look at the top right corner of your screen. You'll see 3 horizontal lines, often referred to as the menu icon. Tap on it to open the main navigation menu. Now, scroll down until you find the Settings and Privacy option. Tap on it and then select Settings from the expanded list. This will take you to your account settings page. Once you're in the settings, scroll down to locate the Your Activity section. Here, tap on Activity Log. This is where Facebook keeps a record of your interactions and activities. In the Activity Log, you'll see various options for filtering your activity. Look for Public Tags from the list of categories and select it. This will display all posts where you've been publicly tagged, and there you have it. You can now easily view all public tags associated with your profile. Whether you're checking up on recent tags or reviewing older ones, this method ensures you stay in control of your online presence. Thanks for tuning in. If this guide was helpful, feel free to share it with others who might need it. See you next time.